When I take a case, I look for the "that's outrageous" factor, and what happened in this situation was to learn that an 86-year-old woman with Alzheimer's was duped into buying 2 annuities that locked up her money when she needed it for health care for her Alzheimer's and for her conservatorship. To me, that was outrageous, and that was a case that I was going to take. They were targeting and selling annuity policies to senior citizens. The insurance company makes a tremendous amount of money based on the premiums that are coming in from the senior citizens, and the agents then get paid out very large commissions, much higher than they would get if they were paying out some different type of investment, like a mutual fund or a CD, some proper investment. In this case, I wanted to make sure that the company knew that they could not get away with this, they had to comply with the law, and they needed to change their business practices, and that happened in this case. At the end of the day, this was a case where 17,000 victims, 17,000 senior citizens got back a substantial amount of money. Not just $15, not just $10, not a coupon. They got back thousands of dollars for the most part, and that's substantial, and they would not have been able to do that on their own.